Yan, good morning mga kasempli. Yan, have a nice day po sa inyong lahat po. So for na mga kasempli sa yung video ko ngayon is, today is video is, papakain ko na ng Cerelac yan si Bibi. So, for niya. So, sa pagtungtong yan ng 6 months, yan. So, pinakain ko na talaga ng Cerelac. Ayan. So, yan. So, ipakita ko kayo kung paano ipakain. Ayan. So, nandito ako sa kusina. So, naghahanda ako ng pagkain ni Bibi. So, kumakain na pala si Bibi ng Cerelac. Ayan. So, naghahanda ako. Kasi, pakainin na natin ng Cerelac. Yes po. Kumakain na po na si Bibi ng Cerelac. So, nilagay ko siya sa ice cream. Ayan. So, So, 5 scoop nito ng Cerelac. So, kaunti lang yung muna ni Bibi. Yung pinakain ni Bibi kasi ayun naman. So, first time pa niya magkain. So, limit muna yung pagkain niya. So, 5 scoop lang nito ng Cerelac. Yan. So, na pala si Baby, 6 months. Ayan, 6 months na si Baby. So, pakainin na natin. Ayan, so, lumalaki na talaga si Baby. Hindi na natin mapikilan. So, kain na si Baby ng Cerelac. So, ito. Wait lang. Pasensya na po. Ayan. Kumakain na. Pagkatapos nito, siguro mga 7 months, so pakaunti-unti na pakainin natin ng kanin. So, for now is, Cerelac muna. Ayan. So, flavor pala nito is soya. Ayan, soya yung, niya, yung flavor ng Cerelac. Tapos, tinitry namin siyang pakainin ng flavor ng banana. So, hindi niya gusto yung yung flavor na banana. Parang hindi niya gusto. Kasi yung niya, yung nakaraan, yung flavor is banana. So, yung niya, lagi siyang tumatai pag yung banana yung niya, yung flavor. Tapos nabaho yung niya, pupo niya. So yun. So kami ng soya. So sa awa ng Diyos, yung soya tiyang sa kanya. Maganda yung niya, pupo niya. Tapos hindi siya umiiyak. Yan. So maganda sa kanya yung soya. So, ito na yung pinakain ko, mga soya. Yan. Yan. So, naman, mabilis siyang mabilis niyang maubos yung itong soya. Hindi yung, yung banana. Matagal yung, kainin. Ito, mabilis lang. So, mamaya is pakainin natin yung si Baby. So, hinahalo-halo ko muna yung niya, yung Cerelac. Tapos, so, ito ang gamit ko na kutsara talaga. Kutsara namin kasi kung yung kutsara yung malit, matagal maubos. Yan. So, mamaya is, papakainin natin si Bibi. Let's go! And, so, pakainin na natin si Bibi. Pakainin natin ng Cerelac. Isa ba? Nakikwarta ba? Kailangatol ka ba? Ayan. Yan na.
my Go
Yan
Yoga
ang baba.
poster. With your home in your space. I think we know who wrote the pen and took the notes.
It's hard work wrecking other people's hard work, but worth it. Here come my first students now. Welcome to Huntinger's House of Goat Yoga. Goat Yoga.
Kalami.
Nice drive here, Huntinger.
Kalami.
What goats? I don't have goats.
Ryder, there's no goats here.
Yan.
See, I told you. My kitty carrier's gone.
From a bag of goat meal. It's going to be a clue. Like this trail.
Well, what are you waiting for? My goats that I never had in the first one.
Jesus ka. Tukuan ano bata. Uy. Di.
I don't think they have the goats.
Ryder, get away. What's up? You big baby goats just chewed up my beef Mikey.
Baby goats.
Pops.
The goats are on the beach. We've got to rid them together. Hold it.
Sinabi.
I've got him on our raft. Great. But who's got the raft? Huh?
Malingaw sa kuan. Papatrol.
It's there, Ryder. The tide came in and took it. Just when we didn't want it to. Mayor Goodway told me my goats were here. Where are they? They sort of went sailing. We need a water rescue. Like diving. Help us here, little goat dudes. Oh no. Ryder, they peeled the raft apart and they're floating all over. What should I do?
You've got to find a way to get those logs back together.
Running goats. Like a yoga class. Run, little goats, run. Awesome running goats. Keep it up. I'll push you back to the beach.
I lost my yoga goats and my bad back's back.
Okay, papalit ang kuan ba? O tambal ba? Wala siya tambal ba?
My babies. Thanks, Paw Patrol.
No problem. Whenever your yoga goats go running, just
Ano
yell
po
for help.
Los Artan.
These tired little guys are going to school. I think they just came up with a new yoga pose. It's called Snoring Goat.
It's Baby Shark's big show on Nick Jr. Get ready for big adventures with your favorite little band. Discover humongous creatures, wondrous new worlds, and the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Step into the world of Paddington. Don't miss brand new episodes next week, Monday to Friday.
Yan. Kain na among bless. Ang kain na among bless. Nakain na aming bless. Nagkain na naman aming bless.
Because the Barbers are back with colorful adventures. And in this family, anything is possible. Every day on Nick Jr. When your kids dive into the wonderful adventures of Baby Shark, they will discover the joy of helping others, build confidence, and develop a positive attitude.
Yan, konti na lang. Ka-very good man, ana. Ay! Ka-very good man, ana. Among bless man.
But why did you want to play all the way out here? Isn't it obvious, Lola? I wanted to fish
Sabi kayo, magkakuan ka, be.
shark, and there's nothing here.
Kalami man.
After we build our clubhouse.
A clubhouse of our own.
And we can each have our own space to decorate with the things we love. It'll have everything that's Justin about our friendship. And that's it. We can call it.
Hop. Okay na. Wala na, hurot na. No more na. Ba't ang goy, oh. No more na. Ubos na. Nakukulangan pa. Oo. Nagkukulangan pa. Tingnan naman ang mukha naman yan, oy. Mukha naman ang mukha naman yan, oy. Ano naman mukha yan, oy? Ano naman ang mukha naman yan, oy? Ano naman ang mukha yan, oy? Agay. Ba. Ang bata. Nabulingit ang bata. Nabulingit ang bata. Nabulingit man ang bata sa Cerelac. Nabulingit na sa bata ang Cerelac. Dan. Ang bata naman. Agay. Oh my. Na among bata man, ay. Nagkaon naman na Cerelac man, ay. Nagdula. Nagdula among bata. Sus. Oy. Oh, unsa man. Mag-inom na ka water. Inom na ka water. Alas sama. Asus. Ang bata naman na, oy. Asus. Opo. Sama ni. Asus. Kan eh? Sanok-nok man eh. Di man pwede si mo ha. Asus. Sanok-nok man eh. Sanok-nok man eh. Inom ka ni? Pohon mama. Asus. Pohon mama. Inom ko anak mama. Asus. Ang bata damo mana bata. Aziz, kalami man ismail ang bata damo. Busog yan. Busog ka yan. Busog ikaw. Busog ikaw. Ha? Busog. Busog ikaw. Ha? Busog ikaw. Busog ikaw. Ha? Busog ikaw. Bye-bye. Yan. Busog na among JD Bless. Busog na. Busog na among bata. Busog na. Busog naman among bata man. Asus. Busog naman na among bata man. Asus. Wala na. Maglalaro na sa ano. Mag-ano ta ng water, be. Mag-water. Asus. Ang naong. Ay. Bahala ni ko. Asus. Bata ba? Yes. Yan. So, thank you for watching. Have a nice day po sa lahat. Yan. So, update ko kayo sa mga ganap-ganap sa mga buhay namin. Yan. For now is, nagpapakain lang ako ni baby. So, yakit ko kasi, yan naman, is my journey, my baby. Yan. So, makain. Yan. So, sayang hindi ako naka-video na yung first dyan na, yung yung pag-kulob niya. Yan. So, thank you for watching. Have a nice day po sa lahat. Love you. Love you, Hara. Bye. Have a nice day.